Okay, so first of all, okay, you need to create a Google account. Okay, so to create a Google account, type google.com. Okay, then you click here and create a new Google account, add account. Okay, you create account, personal account. Okay, then you create a new Google account, but in this tutorial I already have a Google account. Okay, so if you don't have a Google account, use this method. Create a Google account for yourself. Okay, after creating the Google account, then come to your YouTube dashboard by typing YouTube. Okay, youtube.com. Okay, okay, by typing youtube.com. Okay, it's going to bring you on this dashboard. Okay, now we'll begin on creating our YouTube channel. Okay, so come to your bar here. Okay, then create a channel. Okay, create a channel, but in a situation whereby this option is not here for you. Okay, what you will do is to come to settings. Okay, click on settings. You will see create channel. Okay, so you have two methods of creating channel. Okay, either you create a channel from here, or you go to settings and you create the channel from here. Okay, so you can create channel. Okay, then you give your channel a name. Okay, your YouTube channel depends on what you are going to use that channel for. Okay, so in this tutorial I want to use this channel for marketing. Okay, for marketing, so I will give the channel name okay, okay, so the name of my channel is marketing. Okay, so you click create channel. Okay, if YouTube they don't accept this name, it's not going to go through. Okay, so let's check marketing. Okay, YouTube they can reject name. Okay, so they accepted this channel name. Okay, so now we have created our YouTube account. Okay, so let's go and set it up right now. To set it up, come back here. Okay, click and now go to your channel. Click your channel. Okay, you click on the channel, it is going to bring you here. Okay, so from here you can upload your video on your channel, but we are not going to do that right now. Okay, so you click on customize. Okay, you click on customize, click on continue. Okay, now click on blend. Okay, now I want to give my my YouTube profile a nice picture. Okay, now remember that this YouTube is for marketing. Okay, I want to use it to learn marketing, affiliate marketing. Okay, digital marketing. So what I will do now is to go to Google. Okay, by typing google.com. Okay, go to Google, look for a nice picture. Okay, that we are going to add on our channel. Okay, marketing pictures. Okay, so I'm going to take an image from here. Okay, so I'm looking for a nice picture. Okay, to add on the channel that we just create right now. Okay, I think I'm going to use this. So I'm going to download this picture right now. Okay, so no, it's not save image. Okay, good, we have saved the image. Okay, so I come to upload. Okay, to upload the picture that we just downloaded right now. Okay, okay, so we have added the picture on our this thing, on our profile. Okay, so on the watermark on the subscription. Okay, so you come back on the your Google account. Okay, then you download youtube youtube sub subscription button. Okay, you click, I type YouTube subscription button. Okay, so you download any of these, the one that it's okay by you. Okay, you download. Okay, upload, open, then you add it on your YouTube. Okay, now as you can see, it's here. Okay, now set this on custom start. Okay, which is 5 seconds. Is that after 5 seconds of your video, okay, the subscription is going to pop up for the person to follow your channel. Okay, so now we are going to add a banner picture on our channel. Okay, so to do that, come to your Google again. Okay, then you can download any beautiful picture. Okay, okay, okay. So I want to use maybe something like this. Okay, store images, I want to use something like this. Okay, I'm looking for a nice banner. Okay, to use. Okay, I think something like this is more okay. Let's store fonts. Okay, let me use this one. Okay, so I'm going to download this right now. I change the name. Okay, so that I will recognize the particular picture. Okay, so we come back now. We are going to another website to resize that the picture that we just download right now, because if we upload this picture like this, okay, wait, I need to download another one. Okay, save image. Okay, wait. Okay, so let's see the picture we just downloaded. Okay, we have it right now. Now let's see if we can upload this picture like that, because this is what they need, 2084 pixel. Okay, that's what they need. So let's see if this picture is in that format. Give me some space. I need to download a different picture now. Okay, because all this picture is not on picture format. Okay, so we want to download another one. Okay, let's check this one. Okay, let's check this one. I click on upload again. Why these people are adding all this thing? Okay, let's just use another one. Okay, for instance. Okay, so I click on this add. Do you see? Do you see? They want me to resize the picture. Okay, so to resize the picture, you are going to use this platform. Okay, this website, pixelhunter.io. Okay, then you click on choose file to select the picture that we just downloaded. Okay, so that we can resize it to our own format. Okay, let's choose another one. Okay, this one is the one we used earlier, right? So you look for YouTube. Okay, look for YouTube. This is YouTube. This is YouTube, right? Then you download this one. Okay, you download this one. You click download. Okay, so we have it right now. Okay, so you are going to unzip it. Okay, unzip, remove it from zip, extract all. Okay, yeah, extract. So we have unzip this. Where is it? Okay, Pizza Hunter. We have unzip it, right? Now let's go and add it again and see what will happen. Okay, Pizza Hunter. Now you see they have accepted it. Okay, then you click OK to apply on your banner. Okay, so after now, right now, can you see we have a profile picture, right? We have a banner picture. Okay, and we have a subscribe logo here. Okay, now you click on publish. You click on publish. Okay, is uploading all our setup. Okay, now after publishing our channel, okay, we can go and view our channel, view channel. Okay, so this is how our channel look. In few minutes it's going to apply all our picture, our banner, everything is going to reflect here. Okay, sometimes it takes maybe 5 minutes, 3 minutes, okay, to reflect. So this is how to create a YouTube channel for yourself. Okay, this is how to create a YouTube channel. Okay, now in the next video we are going to do how to download video from YouTube and post it on YouTube as well. Okay, thank you.